This is my view from my camping spot. Beautiful, right? There is like this small mountain. This river is flowing with all the force. All the ice is melting from that mountain, I believe. It's just like beautiful scene here. I'm just waiting for the sun to set. You'll get different colors. The sun has already set. They are like behind the mountains. The colors hasn't popped yet. It will take another 20 minutes or 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to start taking some time lapse as well as some pictures. And then I'm also waiting for the clouds to go as well, because in the night sky, if you want to like see the stars, I hope these clouds go away after the sunset. I'm just fascinated by like the night sky. The foothills of Sierra Nevada are like the ideal place where you could see dark sky, where you can actually see the Milky Way and the stars.